Generating a QR code.
Welcome back, I'm Cameron, and today we are checking out how we can use Google Photos as a way to also showcase how you can use a QR code safely. So let's check out how we can do this. First step, especially if we are getting staff and to add photos into a location, best bet for that is to just create an album when you're inside your Google Photos account. And then we're just going to call this PD Day Photos, as that could be helpful. And now we've got an empty album. You can add photos on your own. Great. How do we get into the sharing option? So you click on these three dots up here, more options, and we click on our options. Now, if you turn on link sharing, it gives you a lot more features. So let's do that. It's going to create a link, and we can now choose what are the options we want for this photo album where people are going to be putting in their photos. The most important piece is making sure that you have Collaborate on. The other ones are fully optional, whatever you like, and then you copy this link and you're going to use that to build your QR code. I'm going to open a new tab and paste in that link. That's the link that staff need. So what I'm going to be doing is to get here, to build a QR code. To do that, we have to be inside of Chrome, but Chrome has this amazing option here under the three dots. And head down to Cast, Save, and Share. Once I'm inside of here, I can create a QR code. This QR code can be copied, put on a slideshow, or downloaded and printed. So hopefully that helps out, and yeah, have an awesome day. Let me know if you have any other questions. Bye-bye.